Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that many developers might encounter. Picture this. You have a code snippet with an enum containing numbered values, and you need to calculate the maximum value present in that enum automatically. Sounds like a tricky problem to keep track of, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. By cleverly using preprocessor macros and the existing X macro structure in the code, we can achieve an elegant and maintenance-free way to calculate the maximum value in the enum. The provided code snippet leverages macros like max, right, left, and rescan to dynamically determine the maximum enum value and assign it to the max_color_code constant. This smart approach ensures that the max_color_code always reflects the highest enum value without the need for manual adjustments. In summary, we've explored a neat solution to automatically calculate the maximum enum value in a code scenario with numbered enums. By utilizing preprocessor macros creatively, we ensure that the max_color_code constant stays up to date as enum values are added or modified. I hope you found this coding tip helpful and feel inspired to implement similar smart solutions in your projects. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!